yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winnano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winnano baby
Right. And that on the 6th day in the month of May 2020. We saw Pediampon Eddie so far the piano said qua and the equation, but the area of COVID-19 so not to a hacking we are sick and my Ghana and the Ghana Health Service Aberdeen Cohort at the Ghana Akasa. I would say we are more Pakrade, another Western region, air for another hotspot. Mount for said the Musinia Renebano, information ever, and it's 2 members of parliament, 13 parliamentary staffers, in also any COVID-19 questions are all over. To be able to say, Mempiana, Robert Kaya last week, the kind said, and now so many members of parliament. Now, the opinion of the indicates, and now they said, Ghana has said, and it is information. On my mother was a week, and as we made it. Because we are not so well to the India, India and Calvin issues. And so, don't know, and I decided to be about so far, the transit, William Red Night, and Como, and then a CDP, and then you know, your Bantama constituency, will rep your candidates, and suddenly we are take and have been announced so up with their political top notch on the and Yamre and Como. His Excellency, the Vice President, Dr. Ahad Muhammad Bamia Akasa. Was saying 2020 December 7th elections, no, the Abema Ghana Pobetwaba, records, performance based. It's the NPP by within 4 years or my year, and I Ghana Pobet so Aquabama, and for years, BDR, and some kind, manifesto, and in some kind, and I Ghana Pobet at the Aquaba. The NDC, I want to go still, only EC at Aswa, on air train, on the new voter register. NDC among the electoral commission, court more. Now, a mrapa who you know, send Omuti, Omonto Massive. Nemo, or Matracata, at a command electoral commission. Say, Madaroma, when you send a valid registration site, 20 man on Papi Mom, ɔmo nso ɛntumi hwɛ sɛ deɛ ɛsi ɛteɛ ɛne yi sɛ sane ato dwa sɛ nyame abɔɔkyena ɛna the 2 set of IPAC meeting bɛkɔ so ɔmo se ɔmo nkɔ nnɛ ɛnkɔkyena yɛatena sɛ bɛnya mmerɛ na no nso yɛtumi adi ho ɛnkɔ bɛrɛ no bɛho kakra sɛ wokɔ ɛmpɛma ne kuro no mu a saa berɛ yi ɔmo abi ato mu a the various constituencies a MPs no ɛyɛ NDP4 ɔmo ɛyɛ campaign ɔmo akɔ pɛt ɔmo awie baabi baako a ɛhɔ ayɛ hye paa ɛyɛ Bantama constituency in Ashanti region na deɛ nti ama Bantama ayɛ hyeɛ ɛne sɛ ɔno abɔ ɔkyɛm aboakye wokɔ ma se da mu a anaasɛ abɛn nkurɔfoɔ nwɔ so a wɔn a wɔnyɛ ministers ɔmo yɛ deputy ministers but then ɔmo tumi kasa ho paa so far ɔno abɔ ɔkyɛm aboakye ɛbɛma no so ɔbɔ no mmɔden paa when it comes to finance ɛwɔ ɔman Ghana in the government ɔwɔ so yia ɛna deputy chief of staff ɛnso ɛyɛ owura asɛ so boakye kama ko bisa sɛ na sɛ ɔkyɛm akɔ 4 years ɔbɔ no ho mmɔden wɔ parliament bi a ɛyɛ dɛn ɛna deputy chief of staff ɔno ɔmampanin tu a na wɔtie mu ɔno nso ka sɔrɔ bi yɛ ɔkyɛm ɛde ne tu ɛnɛ yi ɔnsilupi rex a ɔmo egyina mu ɛde ama ɔnabo asɛnso wakye ɛna afei ɔnabo ɔkyɛm aboakye ɛwɔ fie ha ɛna mbɛnya mmerɛ ne yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ebisa ɔmo sɛ ɛdi enti ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ asɛnso ɛba na ɔkyɛm esi hɔ anaasɛ bi eti ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ ɔkyɛm to asoɔ na asɛnso ɛkɛ bi ɛwɔ no ha ebɛnya mmerɛ na yɛtumi ɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛde sɛ ma hyɛ ne so sɛ on Facebook ɛyɛ Kumawood TV and then on YouTube ɛyɛ Samdakus TV ɛwɛtumi ahwɛ live ɛwɔ na afei no wadrɔto comment ebɛnya mmerɛ akenkan ɛde ama and then wohwɛ wɔ TV no screen no mu a bɛhu sɛ WhatsApp lines no egu so 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 wobɛ message ba ne nyammerɛ akenkan ɛde ama ɛmi twa no hɔmra sisi ame ba pɛnifoɔ no ɛwɔ ha ɛna ɔbɛdi nkɔkɔ rɛ biaka ne ɛba sisi a
Kumawood TV amansane yena yediemu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediemu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yediemu Sini papa be na
wupi yensa ma ke papa aba famra Kumawood TV ebi so ke di nkɔkɔ rep your candidates ma mema mbele papa na bi yensa contain ase Kofi Isaac Red Musa ɛyɛ 8 ɛde ma honorable ɔkyɛm aboakye member of parliament Bantama constituency bravo bi akwa
ya muni ameje so
bi abɔkɔ de
ya menadom bi abɔkɔ
na honorable bi so no what say
ya me adom ho papa sɛ me no kasai ɔnkan o di na adwuma o parliament sisi ya me no kasai
bi so se nipa bi na yare no bi ate wo no ɔnkan ho
o nyame adom ɔnkan ho nyame adom o de we de hunya ebe nsu ya ebe nsu na
mama baba san na
o say ya le say yes parliament
o kasa ya
no say delegates and then rep edema honorable Asenso Wakye deputy pastor ne ho ye de
yankopa adom ne ho ye papa
deputy
chief of staff Yura Francis Asenso Wakye babi e wo bia me chia ne ne awie ne ho ye enya nkran
deputy
chief of staff yeah chief of staff no kra nya staff no kra bɔ ne chem enya easy ehia adwumaden sa na woduro nti wonya adwumaden a wonduro do wo pese oduro ha kito di adwumaden emodu si MP ni nyina ka ho na government
right it was going to be come up for the center brow 0543 596 070 we ASCP on Kumawood TV rep your candidate right I'm sure every member of parliament what about your wife 4 years and Bantama for papa when you contest Ascension no be whatever man many come out 10 minutes you may be an honorable or some idea of Bantama which said I was a Bantama for delegate how much you feel at once
that was it ni an mashofo nyina MP honorable Chema Boaje obo adwuma you say the paya no the first time for the bar the party bar power obe so many opposition on it delegates 7 months house to house omunya di akire e do my vote to me pejai first the whole Bantama constituency ni na to aba no 82% and ani okuta but chama baji be so money delegate nya house to house omunya di akire koye no if 82 call 89% a record second highest to 89%. Second highest. Okay. Ghana. In Ghana.
In terms of
percentage wise. You drew honor, you call them kakaka. Into a former government, we positions about MPs, so they say, member of parliament, and no matter 4 being or say, the Kutao, MP, no, minister, deputy minister, board member, board chairman, but in I MP, Kutamu Bibia. But ni MP nene njuma die bia na kakra bi ekutan bia wo de boa constituency ma constituency ni ede e koso
but our government spokesperson
oh yeah finance na ha me baso enti omu call na e ho na dwuma die ni sika sem ne ntoto ye no se ono no into finance or bank nyina enti penfo yo so abrante o kasa no de o se nim sika sem mo no de enim ne boa man no na boa finance minister world bank meeting bi omu ko bia o ka ho o hwe sika sem ntoto ya enye easy when you be onim de a won ye sa negotiations ni bi da no ba betima fa so so no mo funu mu dili wa de bi na so wan hwe ya ko so no so sa skills no ye dey o dada ngu ye ni mase ko parliament adwuma na so na one piece so ye dey e bo na o ko no ti MP de wa ya de a o di say constituency ni to an so ya tena se enche bia be 2-3 weeks ye ba bi ni ya book e ba 120 projects and programs. MP by why? Bantama.
120 projects.
Yes, and programs. Why? Bantama constituency.
My digest of those programs.
Okay, and normally say education, your security, your education. If you answer, see, I'm not going to kindergarten or Bushan, Abreport school. School, of course, Bantama early, you be cut so. And also so because contractor no be so contractor no that's say ongoing and am mechanic nyina bo kwaso a oba ye ne be didi e koso ye front ma security ye see police station ba ko hwim akosi hima na dawma o ma ya sase MP so aso ase ma ya pagya say edu lentil yesi ya ebi so Bantama high street no so Bantama compa high street no so akire ho na wo say ebi so no so ye through so konanim in say nya ko ya sama motorbikes 15 motorbikes dey ama police so fly nya bi suntress can say so amenya bi ana central so ye dey nya bi ana sama some members no a omo e be ye no e dey ma ahemfo no say mo etum ni omunya aka bom say be adwuma no e be ba ko obi a wo wie volunteer group bia no so ye mani bi no no so e dey boa security because no man e cost security sem no e do so bebre o Bantama so say ye hwe ye hu se ni nyina so ye dey e cost o ma ne boa adwuma ye sim so MP ba ye no ade bia wo say MP timi nya bia wo dey boa no constituency bi ye dey ba bia wo dey aboa soldier ba wo dey ama obi police ba obi so ko prison by
no we the AD go records no area any by any by 15
okay mama me mawo ye ko GRA Ghana River e nipa tu ne koi yeah nipa tu ne de koi military so e nipa tu ne koi prison nipa 1 police so nipa 2 and koi MP afamu de ko so ye cha MP de ye che 275 constituencies in MP bia no e bi mawo now so the amount for unyan be brave to say there obi a osoro office of president and abibisa enya yeso yenyina e party ba akopɛ say be ya ye de ba se yenyina e boa ama party na ye dey aban ma benyam na akoso because the obi abɛya bua bia o de boa MPP aban say be ya bitima man ya ba na ye dey akoso yetimi akoye nim e be me ho atoye no ene ade a MP ba ye no obo no mo de say de bia te de make kire wi finance sem so atese no ma ye dey ekoso bia mbuo na eko kakra nti MP de obae no dwumadie bia o so edi bia o de abo Bantama constituency
so what time no so ye hwe o what kan edwuma MP ba e ma so ba ku ka bo mu a mekunu be say na o ma timi nya edwuma from MP
okay from MP one private work we ye ene de aban mu de ba because MP de o ni nya kan because on one private work and son no may MP no or bank MGI was a be transport you know kase okuta cars makoma 70 into the say driver ni ba ku bia drivers go 70 obia enya so ofi bantoma ko ye Ghana ni nko na akwa fa na nka ka bi te bantoma me na wo kase obi wo so nte bantoma eno de entimi kase bantoma nko a ni nko na wo so twika ni bi bang no so sufo a
amam for mo bantoma e be hwe de NPI ne bantoma na mo de akaba
yeah
NPI fan ko for bantoma NPI you said okay we see please quarters or whatever we see schools some construction
yeah
and on amam for be so we see we area Lukuma and no are digging the less center on back band
okay and I make so team say because any pass 70 enya 70 for nya na drivers a omo delegates yeah enti obi wa nya obi a na betena bantoma eno nko a na che so no so team twika ni enti bi mo bantoma constituency omo twika ni bi bi so bantoma constituency omo ye adwuma on bang o sisi amana o kase
so education you know apart from schools na we see no why the scholarship
scholarship so ama scholarship ni bi ana nansan BC bantoma madam no kra ne habishe so mo bo MP abaso MP wa ya de so tima organize classes you ama nkra mo mutimi eyese eboa nkakrakra wo mu nyina mo so ne de ko ni the member of parliament ai ogidie wo ni mo se obetima ya no wo ye no ye saman kwan biema no sa toa so 4 years a ye wa hya se nyina wo de be dai wo de be wi na che se etima ya dai akoye ni mo no an ye pen
20 programs and projects up of it
eno kre ize me catch us me pese me tutu ade bia mu nchene because o se me benka book ya ready an kamede ye dey emma na binti ma me week or 2 ye be lanche ye be frɛ mu nyina aba na woni wo hu bi e ka project e ka program obi ade bu abo soft ba ne se o MP a odi wanim ya bodwa mampanyini te ho chief of staff te ho finance minister te ho o bantoma Pentecost aso dem yes national cathedral obian contribute to bibi MP hwe efekeke 10,000 Ghana cedis no ya to wonya ade wontin constituency ne president to baye bantama kefit yes ye ade bi asie ne so ade papa aye ye ne se ye toka e be boy ye nye so constituency me bi delegate bi nye delegate e ho ba ya se o my 10,000 Ghana cedis omo ai aboa
on delegate so them saying
oh bibia boko se enipa de untimi nya de nso bia ni na che se okura won kan kore bible kore wom o ti ase ti ede ye enipa de untimi ka se de obe bia na se akokọ sa achema akoma kora nya de na de na akufo adu yi yetimi anya obi ma nkora timi ka se de na ye wati COVID-19 ba se de akufo adu na no obon ho modin hwe nse man nkofo kan nti nipa nya nyina na beka no kore no nti onu obi a boni bia ne executive so onu boni bia ebi aso ya setna pa eno an nti komo bia so onu de onu obi a ye de edi ti boni bia nsi be bu ya ba ntoma boko se di siti
just 1 minute am dey come wo hwe aduma waye ene de obe pre aba o ka che delegate won say but me for feel at least how many percent
oh okay bet me am be 78% enwe nia anti ade o mo nso ne se who's a party in opposition and it me ba bem ya fa de bi check you enye say wo ba na enye ndi say real power your opposition to one dey here dey e ba bem hwe resources or the buy ka or the buy sika or the buy e bua you am delegate nyina som e ba power ni tim buy na me catch say 89% na office e kwa nti bibia nkom bibi kom hwe sweat delegates bro bre MP bro mo bre bi wo be sore no papro no mu ni di wo mo namba antoma ha sutu usum siri skani e ka ho eboa ema we nyina ye nyina etiri emi ti wodi etie kuei ewrende MP you also ban ho mode bia also ye dey o ye bia aye ka de boa
abusina de bi so taking come on Kumbawood TV Sinopi dumade and abusu awo hwe no we the rep their candidate aye dey Ebrewo Bantama constituency ho and deputy chief of staff honorable Asenso Boache and honorable Wachem Abwade omo contest na ono na de no aye we Ghana because it's a deputy chief of staff and the contested as MP position. The Benam na jadi ko na dem ne kasa Red Musa ono and I A to honorable Ochem Abwati member of parliament for Bantama. Dem pass so yes Ura Abdul Mase Was say Kumasi.
Bobo Bemeti.
Boko there.
Boko Center.
Right, Mama 10 minutes.
Yo.
Also, at the end, now put more bantama. I was on a boss and soup big house. About the band.
Yo. Edi kan medas. Na metia bantama for delegates. Metia Eura Francis and so watch. Bantama executives, a few means and Chamata. Any delegates, any mrantie, any maba 1 year mammy penifua, or my own margin say, or more day, or Munyan Sambe and Nepa at the Mabantama, Michel. Na answer no meba meka sa ne so no red pressure no tonable ya twra ma no enti na wo kan ne sa oh said that na so o ye ba no tie no we ne baba se me na na te wo e no we ne baba won to ne bo ase adwuma na wo ye ne me na na me ye wo che me di na chi ye ka wo mo de wo chem ba ba ntema untimi nyimi mfiri na so na ye den yo kan nyina ya twra kire no because esi ye no ni ho yenya ni edi na ki saata no wura bantam na busa se de na ekoso enipa ni edi o chemachi 100 mu 100 betima ka 100% papa ye o ka sei abano kra on to bi wa sambod o kire kwan ta won fa so bi ade nti na nipa ni edi o chemachi nyina won fa na se me wo sai kwabra na menye o mo maka ni nyina anye a wotimo mu nyina tima free na chi na wakofa non delegate ene ne de o kasa man kire se wo ye delegate na sa wo hwemia bin hum ye nu because yenia obo
that has not been said
untie
police or party
tie based on asema ye kan CNP o program no CNP kan okura evidence base nyesa na o ka kire no nipa na wo kan ya ka kire no wo ka kire me
den na nya no kure
oh na ni sem bebrebe
ene ne de
ni sem bebrebe se me ba no so de a wo de me profile na me de be master so no be ma me 10 minutes ne be ma me
wona pa so ko
enti member ba ho so o si project ubusa no nipa dodo a e chema for madwuma based on
true
honorable anya adwuma based on the ono kan nipa 5 ne nya e no so nya no kore nipa 5 o wie na odo onu na adwuma na wo ye na o maka tu asem kora ho oden ma wo no e no odi be wura mu se MGI ene friends 2MS wodi anu be wura mi se wa fa nipa adwuma ugusa ne se bantema adwuma be no wa ye o bantema eno ne ka ho ase adwuma na red mo ye na ne ye o minimum obi a na otu nsuo so ma MP no ne ba yale ne ba ntimi nkoto le se mfa ne to o ma ne bosia 5000 Ghana si don fa kwa ne ba operation o ma bo se doctor na me kire no ko be fa so ayi operation na o mfa bosia na ma e ma kora ni wu o bantema ono ana kora na otu nsuo so ma no ne bodyguard friend yo obi o bantema bi enima sama me kai delegate bi enima sama me kai eto woni ba na wodi na chi no wuni mu no eye no kora ba membre mu no se ye obedada ya asase ne ye ne ye kora ye sabi me ka se aboda ma nyese dia kasa sabi ye boda ma no chen se de ono aboda ma no but de obeyi nyina ye ntoro papa no wo ketere ma so de ene obeka kire ye nso obeka kire ye wa bra na ono abokofo enye 2 years wa konwa so se kokofu de ode sika eto emu ode tontema ode hwe delegates nti ono de oba wonye ne saa ono ni sika ye tua ne ka wa America bosome no chen MP no afi ba ko MP sika obenya to ono won fa MP sika nye hwe busa se na ekose wo se 120 projects nye saa 120 projects de obi esu a ayiye ka ho ensambode afundaka ene asori dem collection
but ni na so no se amount for the demand waya
na wo asori dem ko to collection ya o say achievement me see last one abrepo assemblies me ne ko ye me na me ko aso me na odi me di agina mu 3 million wantu ya be kwa na mko ti aye me e wo me ba buku bi ankura
se ona bo asan so ona bo chema bo adi me ba wo se wa fairly bank of na that is what happened supposed to ka say
eno na eba ona bo Francis Asenso bo ache nipa bi a wo ye party ba meet maka say wo ye MP yatete no party ene say 2011 sie nyina be ka ya 2000 abranti ya oboabo amabu na wo school extended universities anu a friend Tescon the first president Francis Asenso bo ache wona ti sa ku ne sa ku no na me no ka say ikura party ne le emerante bi te sɛ na bi nom ɔmo na sɛ kura party no asɛmfo yɛ tete no party no ɛna wɔyɛ special aid for president na Nadu then na Nadu Akufo-Addo besi na ɔda fɛ ne special aid enti asɛmfo ani so ade hunu ne yɛ bantama ɛnya MP no ɛna eni die ne yɛ ne de na deɛ yɛmu bi yɛ pɔn dɔ sɛ yɛde asɛmfo bo akye ba bantama ne sɛ ɔmɛboa bantama wohwɛ bantama yɔnkofo no omusi so anka ukɔ school wo classmates ahodoɔ betuma bobo mu din nhyiaye so kwada so friends manhyia ne nasefo wo de kɔ hɔ kɔ town road no mentamu kɔ hɛ because of say omunya good leader. Politics dey make here politics is about links so your politics no need links papa koda ono boda no chema bo aja hantan na di na wie ne me ka tie me ofa no mami nie wa mama nhwe ho a metibi me theater wo hwe ho abetema se ye ntia ma me ka sa de se emre ba power face e na me ka che ono abo position party adwuma no ko so betu mi mu minim party mu chen ono abo inti wa ba sabe opon wusu ko wa ko ni nyina no o so to bo asem ye kyerɛ wade ye kyerɛ won so a ye ne a ye ti bo ko so no o so sua ɛna so no abo party positions ɛyɛ minim about links inti bo the star rapport woni manfo nye free asem so bo a tie nipa bi obetima bo a mo wa hini na pija inti fa ho no o te a wo ba ɛna na ndo ka kyerɛ so wo mo ano na sɛ Nyankopɔn yɛ na dom na sɛ onye tumi ni bia wetima nya ahoɔden na wetima boa ne bantumfo ɛna na Nyankopɔn charge papa yi kasa wɔ sɛ ayi ɔtam yɛ house to house 7 months Akufo-Addo started 2008 ɔbɛhwe ase wɔ Jubilee Park ha nyina ɔno na nye na Nadu na de party ne ba power ɛyɛ ɔtam yi Ghanafoɔ nyina nim time na Ghanafoɔ ayɛ desperate for power 2016 si ehia na Nadu Akufo-Addo power
ɛdeɛ na ɔno awasa so wate konya position as deputy chief of staff why the management here mama den
no kore edikan Honorable Francis Assenso Boakye ebeye e ba ban mu wa boa party na to sense wa boa non delegates soldiers on fa soldiers nipa be 40 mbant police be 20 omo a personal omo ho kire omo pa adwuma ebi BNI masa ni sembi wo ha ni kwase keka no bebrebe a red mo sakura nim kwa bantima ene bantima ya kono because of Francis Assenso Boakye e ko chima Boakye nke yawu o chima Boakye ye nipa a wo ba na odidi a no ohun se obi ba na de anwa na afefa wa obi bo beka se wadi nso boa me e ko chima Boakye de mafaso me personal
ye wo afaso nti
enya no enti obi so de ko hwe nkwan fa ye mfa ne ko hewuo e na bi asesa wo hwe aso ma entoto so wo hwe aso pa entoto o wo to da enti wo no abo omra fo no mu nipa eni ho yes afani na geti ni politics ayi aba se obenya development de aboa ompatamu friend the Kimporo bridge olobi yaye friend say nurses quarters I north sintraso ene north sintraso akwan nyina yeye ono I go kwa self protest
me bawo members of parliament or more asante si eye mention of for so man pass on say eye is so we ya can come so na say eye spa pastor pege so no me o mi na honor like it o so money am na ye kwako ye bantima dia mo si asante so na
enu nie ye nti esi asante na aye ne say mame ma on fato ho bi atafoa onu ayi bantima atafoa ensuo to abreje no ejiri pa emuyi ensuo to na ejira fa so e na honorable member o assembly ma o frɛ honorable MP say anka omwa na omuntimi en lobby na omumeye honorable ka kyerɛ sɛ oye ono assembly ma na ne ato aba ama no e wo ho nti wo hwɛ no so wo problem mo me ka na bla me se kasa obetu papa na betu ama wo se yenyi enti sɛ wo aban mu na se ye kwan a ampa wo betim di ato ho so sɛ wo na wo ye ba de me mani tua sɛ wan tu ho anamon ye betu bu so wan tu ho anamon obi na betu ho anamon ne de bla me man fa me ge sa fanse sɛ ye beka kyerɛ wo na tu ho anamon a anka e fanse ne yo dia Baby ka want to wa bla contractor kura wo ye dan o ye kwan no di day o koye skirt wo ho no contractor kwa no nim contractor kuro enti wa chama bo agye nipa wa se ye suma ni bi wa se ye drop no because politics e ye say ohene ba de ne papa te ase e ye te say de obi o won links obi tima boa ye politics na ye na wa chama bo agye na nkasa agye atum say bank man mu nyam kofom because of ni time ono te akonya so de a eni ehu hia so obeto aso bi ono abie na nu to say bank man mu nyam kofom enti ye hia na akonya so bi
obi so ka say senka ona bo chama bo ona bo ase so deputy poster na e ma minister da and she minister se me say nyina ka mo apre puntu aba e mu nyetu en chance e be ba kwafu no akọpẹ
nyame nhyira wo ono abusi sa brother ba o ye minister but me gina he mi hu bi a wabo no bantama bla betima fo so na
mo ba nyina
mi hu de wabo no bantama me si de wa bantam me si de wabo me ga do mo a obi a wo me si de wabo no bantama mi hu wo betima fo so na asenso bo ate ye mo aba ma e yo no ani pe free will no de ye bibi mai se wa anya ye betima fo so na but wo chama bo age ono abo ya to aba ma enti na ye pese ye suma asanso bo age na ye tima twe no na ye nyane enepa
me da say for time no me ma additional 1 minute on the Burma red nose ba ma men ko na mo message me kan akra me ba ema we say Semai, good evening. In fact, I like your program, but let your brother Isaac be aware that we have carried water and wine and we have seen the difference, so there is no way the people of Antama would vote for Honorable Ochem again, as so watching all the way. Where Francis Asare Bushan at the Abba, I don't know. Okay, we just say, please, I sincerely and humbly want you to let Red Musa know and understand that so far, as he isn't a delegate of Bantama, he is just like a signpost directing people to a destination but doesn't go there itself. Such Red Musa, that is Red Musa for you. He is always making noise for Ochem and directing some delegates to vote for Ochem while he himself isn't a delegate. And moreover, right word is pronounced okay. So we say I'm Bantama or Sofo Kubi. Okay. Okay, I mean, was it good evening, Sabai? As so watches Red has said it all. He has made Ochem Abwaji's assistant looks as if he is also watching a movie on Glow TV. His communication is so poor. Greetings to incoming MP for Bantama, Honorable Francis Asenso from Kingsford, Bushen. Okay. We say, Semai, I want you to ask for Sekwapna that what bad will happen to Bantama constituency if Chief stay where he is and MP to remain as an MP. They both have been doing great and helping the government. So if Nana wants 4 more years to do, he will need the good working MPs and appointees. I'm Joel, a delegate. Okay, Joel, so I don't know. We say good evening, Survive. In fact, this is a very innovative, creative, and fantastic program. I believe you are being paid well at Kumewu. Please tell the Ochem Abwaje people that we are not going to vote for him. Okay? We say good evening and attitude from Okoso as one thing. Is it Gertrude that you're trying to write? Maybe that would have an error from Okoso as one thing. A delegate, communication director, test from UCC. Wasep Abraham has said it all. Chief Asenso all the way. I don't know. We will say, for your highness, watching you live from Accra, Mr. Host, please ask the MP rep at your studio for me. Apart from NPP general promise, the MP himself made personal promise to the delegates, being 8 traveling opportunities. Please ask him if the MPs has been able to fulfill what current MP for Chairman Wadi is a failure to Bantama constituency. Okay, financially, royal highness. Abba. Right, so I mean, what happened now? We answer Abba talking about Bantima. Well, we say, good evening, Semai. So, Red Mosa has affirmed to our saying that indeed the NPP is for family and friends. He just told us recruitment into government sector is purely on political grounds. NPP never again. Kwame Araba, Asiasi, Masi, and Kwame NPP Araba. Okay.
So light is.
We so I say good evening, Semai. I like your shoe. I admire Ochem Akwaji's bread so much. Please tell us reveal where he is, or if you can lose his deputy chief of staff position. Nanama Edia or not to the Abba, I don't know. Okay. We just say, Samai, you do it all. This is very fantastic and innovative. I believe that is what you want to write. Please tell the delegates to vote for Asenso Wache, although at Asapo, but I admire Asenso Wache so much. Nana Yao Mensa Yamuso, the Abba. Right? My Mensa, I'm ready. Now, happy. Get Meshana, Yapapa. Red. The question I want to decide. On our Asenso, promise to make you. Sorry, promise to make you specific delegates. Because delegate may be can't command a balance and win your opportunity. Abba, I better represent the constituency. But in your popular crack, I almost say, indeed, I am here. 2 minutes.
That's million. Oh dear, I'm for the mini kind being to. But I see a passage medino, a comma. In your Bantama constituency near Percy project. But personal adibu and symbol creating will be better when you're the Percy sticky to program no. Where Monday my producer frame or the man, but in your batin as a program near the air command. Or since more how can a more one day a more hat for this level and as a program I was in. There was simply a cabat a woman. That your chum for the BSA on Brassier, the penny dinner channel. Casamoa but travel walk and you see who the Amay, sending any diatim. They are not in the num, the Becca said, here will be a. Bese bibia ye dey e boko ko bantu mankabo ene nyina ye dey ye pe ensa wo kan ye no the president is not sisi ewom hwe Ghana opportunity a bantu ma constituency enye ibi ni ba bia wo kan bibi e kan ono abusisi dada pa wonnim ni nti ana wonnim nti wo de minister mu a eso wo de ne fori mu nyina so wo mo bia unhu nipa kronja na ncha so wo so no enti wo de onim ne de no nya asem sanu de onu nim de bantama de wabo aka so mo awu wo so unnim obi enti je so wo dia wo twemaye je so hu bi ba ma no so aye de oso aye de oso yi bia ono abode no hu ni asem o chemba pe ade papa bie woni mu bia Ghana fo nyina aye de hu unsa me kan se bi kirew se nipa eni obi ana de oba bia be so obi aye de eni so on dem e kirew no ejina yeah nipa nya da wadue cause dodo bi entaw dodo bi en wabeti mami nwie dodo bi en obeti ata no e wo so obusa an kwahye bi se ye wo power esu ne nko e na opposition ye dey esu ne nko obi watese ne bi de wo enye ebinie wo cham wo e ba mam wo na e ba na me nua yi ka se oba wo nya hwe no no ma wo cham abo so a waye no ye ko left sector na nsen ya so no o se ne common fund and the scam fa nya hwe on se nsem obi ka what you say enwo e dey a trivial issues oh my friend na me nkoso ka de odi aye so chase na se ye tia ai Sunjaso Government Hospital anesthesia machine doctor na afre ne ye tena se si hia no ma se no ma o si hia o mu pempre yo si hia hospital no ya ko ya provide am on this machine no e cost almost akaka crib na 1 billion it stand 100,000 Ghana cedis we already high so ti ase o dia come machine am no ka se si o sisi a obi ko wo a e no ne ade ani pahia o challenge bi no san ye pen enti ne ye on opportunity na meka cho say obi ni constituency bia eti ekuta de ye ma no hwe nkofo bia funti emfiri bantoma emfa nko constituency na ma me kire o de enti nkofo bia de enti nkofo bia funti ni say hwe constituency wo Ghana yes 75 ube 275 easy see bit ma bo ni pedi so we chief of staff easy deputy obedi empia ahwere ye e de na guarantee say bantu ni na besa ata dabi babi fufu ni so na be dey e be ba opportunity enya no yenya okoso am sisi amuno ka say ya mini ye kikan chairman sabo su constituency ye nyini pass 7 as ye 10 or more military side o ka
the way yes one was it ask Samai please ask the MP rep for me why the MP has been beating delegates and threatening those who are not
we same way san me catch was say em so wo bon wan me na mo hwan na bon wan o nyo me ka se mo se bu ensem hu o ba pi bon wan me to me ne MP nya ne me ho threaten wan na me catch was say enkofo bi hihye no ma bi o so wo ti ase enya no kre MP o we are obre no ho ase we no
was it Bantama delegates are ready for a change because the current
in
the history of Bantama as an so actually remains the obvious choice. Tiba, take a push it on 2 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm saying the cat I want to know. What is the means? As I'm very easy. They are no call. Wabubi and correct.
Now with us all.
One
appetite.
Busano, solo.
A couple station. Yes. Yes.
Oh, once and so.
Here, once a boy. I want to make a move. And to make a oh, boy. Then he is. Oh, yes, and Penison to Coffin, no red jacket. And then about the Habu to go for you. One half from a brand new.
I'm also a line,
still, your best head in what chum still maintain. Or chum still maintain 603. A pebam to my ye.
Which me up in Opa, lower the volume of your TV set. No,
Enti Obusana send you when you know my main camp. Obusana is a promise or one can have the promise about the Mudian Edikai. What Chum can say for Bantman or say a welfare for to better cast the 10 electoral areas. We did one to cast and to pay Bakan, we were here to come back. But the name first was an apostle. And never know can say Yatika. And who people that so what Mazamianaka
want to take away what
was he at the now apparently can trot it. What Pinasi what Poca tell you? Mukramuni, what the radio be out or whatever back for God. And yet the Kappa, and yet the Kappa Brad, when you're making a Kappa. Minuka say that's what you
oh, so what a Kappa. What's also not
hello? Good evening. Hello, come on with me.
Yes, come on with you.
Yes, I should be telling about show Mr. Kaka.
Who was so by my deal?
Me, David. Good evening.
Yet you, Pacasa.
I said, good evening.
Oh, Fra.
Now, Bocor, me pass you. Your delegate, now, Bantama. Now, you mean, dear, or Tamaye. Kokofu about 4 years. Kokofu about 4 years. And now we are telling you sponsor 4 years. 84 years now, sir. We are part they do with you. The bank must be until our champ. Nothing. Not a more matter as I sure about the bank man. Yes, yes, yes. 1 million po. And I know for nothing. You tell them a Juma who do not do the you can't say a kind of thing. If you are some of the you didn't tell me before 4 years. If you also for 4 years, I do anyway.
Yeah, that's it. I also with me up 0200 603 however, now it's me up out. 7 and a half. No, you answer to now. Yes, that's why. So I am not one man. What over the TV? No, I perform. Now we see more phone.
So, but took me.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Luna.
Good evening.
But oh, now for me. Your family, I come from every at my farm.
Okay.
Me that's the baby. Na you know say me up what you ever say. Okay. Ya papa and so they are for staff. sɛ yɛto abama no ɛma no bɛyɛ MP a na ɔlu so position na ɛnyɛ ade a wɔmbɛnya biribi ababa no yɛn papa napo na yɛ MP ɔmenhyia na ɔyɛ MP no yɛka ma no minister nti ɔdɔbɔla MP and minister nti ɔnabo asonso bo asonso yɛto abama no bantoma no bɛyɛ MP a ebiri sɛ wobɛti minister ofiri chief of affairs minister ɔnabo ɔtɛma bo agye ne first ɔnabo ɔkɔbɔ ɔkɔ first team. Hello, Servant. Let's have Papa. Dako Penio, Kenya, and Nestapia, or Libya, with you, Michiano, and Nebusha, from Libya, and American. Now, Servant, Michia, or Bega, fellow producer, the calling a meaning. We shall set I Urawa, Kuno, Casamas, and Sobatuno. Now, so can be said. Senator Biao, our godfather. Thank us, so your chief of staff. And the other Kao, like our channel, so entering pure. No, so Mulo Bena Bantuma into Indian Punto. The only thing says, as a Subache Badia, let's MPP Belusu, which is so good of the park on your day or Bantuma. Can you suffer chief of staff out to her? Let's say we do MP now lobby now young so lobby can be vision can you bonnet if you have to be football hello good evening your friend me your highness the castle for Accra say our Musa Elimua, Mamen Treno, Mamen Educating, Chief of Staff position, and your position, I'll be media compare MP was so cracking Deputy Chief of Staff. Samuel Chumwagana could be this one. Ex-President Kofono, only Chief of Staff, only Deputy Chief of Staff. Into a more confused to I know a Chief of Staff, I don't know about pre-empty, no, only more question. So many of my business so among very will be on MP a portfolio or high for staff. Everything deputy piano a low in politics or in governance. And it's only more may educate most and no answer. No term there were a disaster. You don't feel a bank.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Yeah, Mina.
Yes, we didn't have
I'm the every planet I got it. Nah, you're not making it.
There be a watch when you come from the airport, whatever. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, I didn't have free.
Hello.
We didn't have free and you.
Good evening, Carol.
My Joe, we didn't have free.
Good evening.
My TV volume and perform. Let's see more phone. Why?
So my conversation on the show no of job.
Take about Joe's
About so you know for pardon me. Maybe I'm not take on the free version. So Mike, I'm more about so you will my power your mouth tonight. So Mike, I talk about no man about and our boy to my power. So Mike, can you say Ochamaboa, some of us and pay out and we to me. Baba Bantamano, only be dear, I want to say a 20 should be. Because when no matter so much, I can't about in MP or a deputy chief of staff, only budgeting. But when no more, I am not for instance now. And Korean had this over contest for Batman and can you pass what about and also other contest. Because I am one want to watch about and all the since try other contest. I can so watch it.
Right.
So I just match it on the wall. So tomorrow I did not more than 100 votes for Bantama. Some of our top will show the economy must be. Because they don't know how about it. Yes, one or so.
All right.
Let's have Bantama delegates. I can so watch it. All my MP or you know,
I said, yeah, what take
Hello, good evening.
we have chief.
Hello, good evening.
Kind of credential.
Hello.
I'm more 200. We're going to
Right,
handle
you're
it.
not very policy, you're not very policy. Well, this was an Dawson.
Yeah. It's my boy, they didn't chill.
We say, Samai, please tell Red Mosa that we Bantima delegate knows and understands politics than him, and he likes, if he likes, who are the delegate? If he don't know, let me educate him. Member of Parliament portfolio is higher than Deputy Chief of Staff. Seven party all will leave and all will leave. Okay. Please, I might ask this question for me. And I think I've asked you a question. Joel, I've asked you a question. I think that okay. So, Mike, so do you understand this? Why the sitting MP has chosen non-delegate to be his spokesperson? Meanwhile, his rep is not going to vote for the upcoming primaries.
Na kukofu kwa ya kampeon wato abani.
Only we are more
former MP to abani. And as a president Babatu.
I want President Akufo-Addo to open schools and churches because now we cannot learn. Okay, I think okay. I think it's a question I have not been answered. Do a question, say, I don't know you answer. Okay, Nanka, give me well, do a Robbie fashion, at the other day, Robbie, this was a super okay, well, you're fun with you. Yakan, you have a fun. It was so 18 come out, see, Sinopi, do a year from Mondays to Fridays, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30. We a repair kind of bantam, for instance, and you know, and what for rapport? Back to course. We be a year.
Yeah. Yes. You are.
As a super.
Oh, yeah. You got some what for dinner, bank to my phone. And Bra, Yade could be a wee by saying, why you do one 34 delegates near the Amadu, yeah, and the drivers and then. Oh, Massa, will be a question. Oh, my mom will be memorable.
You did down on him. At the end, I will add the delegates. The Damia from Amana, 80 special plan. About how many delegates the top of one? Almost 6 sons. And I will take a cafe say, Honorable, but now by 900 among my people. Then got a move that second.
Oh, and you down say, and you so supposed to answer, and I will do. A brand may be what you might be a channel may walk for man, let me so pick up the crap. You can't want to do a chama boy, the bad and then bah, won't you? But chama boy, a brand new campaign, men and I'm a bonus.
Ah, what chama boy?
Messi, men and I'm a bonus, I'm a phone so chama boy just opened 5,000, 3,000. Miss and no one my phone, so I'm a man. Me, my fool, Miss me or send a commerce in me, Father. Missy, men and I'm a cat of the channel. Missy, no, I jump up or jump up with a cover check. All in the business and Intino, so nobody the grammar be any problem. Missy, men and I'm a bonus. I jump out and they will not discover me drink for 4 money. Is like a Medimanusi, made them serve out to my delegates. Mr. Back to my delegates, say, a man to give. A more being fat, who be winning. And Cassay or Sapa, but we will me. Was Chama Wadika just am for the turning for or Bar Bantman, you might wait in Yin some. A red most at the house say, or Macoma, interest of 4 machine, or maybe get one scar. But and so watch a command ambulance or no one bottom scar. It is your first uncle for me, no, the air budget, a man and the air budget man. Near Chess, you made a young shady of so many baby, and a politics I about links so small be. Now, a corner one, 5 be a mad and so many. You did be back, and I'm on some money to make the young one for me. Politics I are me, the Benya and put to a man and pet them for, and see a brother for me.
That's it. We was say, AK was say, Massey. Or say, now on my delegate, and the honorable member of Parliament. Or some about yet in need a train. So watch it, and I was a commanding of ever, like on a Red Moza.
Yo, Munia.
We are aid to the member of parliament.
No, no kwakwa boko so so watwe no ho a enam se no kura no ni nti ene obetwe no na obi a MP a okuta obo ne brokuta ne sika na obi a wudi na chi wuti mani sika awurade mu ha yanko yanim ya bantu mabo eda manim ni o ya de ebedi akoso aka no kura akere mu delegates ya pese mu nyina mu kabom na mu to aba ya se ambulance aba se ambulance no culture center de de pharmacy wo konkofo bi atwanto akere papa no ana ona ma no odenden no se ambulance no de betuma kokoko no che so se benya 100 eda no no bo say yes votes ne yede e kasa o chambesa to go so ne hia no asem si Ghana ho na timba ba kirekirim o kasa fa na so tene ka be wiase ba bia ye tene ka yente ye nupenka yente hwe enti so chief of staff atena ho no so ni MP na mo bantu ma ko ni mpese nkofo bi do mafu ane abronti na be se ba ko ma be sere mo amoto aba ebe pa mo chow mu nyina mo kwa mo nkoto aba no fa mo chem aboade still maintain for more to do more Bantuma constituency need stability for progress with the money mass
and Red Musa 8 to the honorable member of parliament Bantuma constituency for chem aboade kan but they akuja some red swan ambulance no Saturday to staff deputy at the call in person the bathroom na ko kono very shock. No idea. Right. You try your own run. No, we bisa question. And the media put in the back. The honorable Asen so much. I think say the media business. But the buy. But we not tell them some money. That's another. Don't go at all. If you want back, your back. Jake, our 1,000 an hour. I've been amre near people. It my bad. Yeah. I want to hear the next election. Again, I don't want to win the year. And this is not the case. This is apart meeting. And this is before. And that's all. If you're back, then you get back.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba. Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winna no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winnano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, yes, I am my Kwaba from Kumawood TV. Simply, you are the Busua, Eti, a Yamre, na at Nasia, Tuada, the Pussy, the other 4 to 6:30 p.m. Na, if you know my Ghana, Yaman said a man with me at 2 if you want, and you visit Yariaba, and I'm your colleague. But then, in the midst of Yariano, said the Amampaniakan, Yariano, Abba, then so life must go on. Because why you because where you ma yare ba ko na di party asia yare bia ni ma ba bia asia e bia si na ye ki boda e bi ka ensi da yare bia na ba bia no e ji mo dia na e ji kakaka na e ji e de e fi ho nti yare ba ko e ba so a ma ka se ya sanse ye ne ba ntama ko na bi ma abi ya kwa ba na ne e be ni komo on two major issues. And I use more Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, Vice President, my Ghana, was say a new man and back or my boy, and not and don't go for 2020. Is by the election. And then you what's almost say, who some cars will be see, how to some cars on bay, some cars be free, a from cars will be Ghana from Palma, and I Ghana for more heavy, but it's what Sanso and the latter commission in the end is say said a very now into Moasa to be 20 Supreme Court. The brand go back or support but now I part meeting so long. Connect and put Nemo Manuala the air registration the training of trainers I want to be all because almost any limited registration size. I was set about so you are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, and then some Dark TV, YouTube. We to the university number, kind of. Jake, as I'm to a regional communication team member, Emma and C.
Yeah, I mean, oh, Yankupa had to me away of power.
Some malaria,
but I may find it's a body denial melody about.
And then Nana is shown Agri. Nana, a regional communication team member for MP. Nana Papa, yeah, Papa, media chain. The Chassis, I mean, Chassis, it's a month no Papa said, Ghana. Near my year, in 4 years, now more year 4 years, and the father, and me at 20 December. Mo promise I'm making here. If you get any, then I must be here.
Perfect. Munia, Mozicano, Mamunchia, Santimura, your O2 for Osepodo. And now, MPP from Penfa war Ghana for Yana, and Kankampo, or Yan regional minister. Nejuma Pa, or Yan was Santimura. And on your Oforiculum constituency. Executives are over on the polling station executives in Ghana. Now, Makani Demaha, Bia Home TV, Odun, and on ye, it's safe. I would say, Nala, Yankopon Kobiano, Ombobiano Hobby. Na Sabi, Yantan Community heads are Ghana, Yin the Empire Ball, be paid a Ghana. My brother, it'll be some day. MPP, ye cut day, ye buy a bay day, ye bay day now. You were Omia. Well, the Cade MPP edwuma pa ya ye no na basan de hena ko power na bije de asem o kan ne kwan do pepepe boni bi ala nyi ho kopade sayarka emla na NDC awa bemuni emla yesra Ghana fo de ye pohoncho won to abama MPP yezen sabo de to Ghana fo ho anyim yesra Ghana fo ma Ghana fo woso wo beye MPP moa emma sam ne to Ghana fo ho anyim emla yewra John Dramani Mahama oye president na Ghana fo wo su won hwamanze na woso wonyi sika wọ́n máa wọ́n kọ training school teacher training school wọ́n ti bọ́ support hàn no yẹ́n bẹ jọ Mahama dẹ́ mbẹ́ náà ọ̀bọ̀ Usain Bolt Sabakaya ọ̀sẹ̀ ṣẹ́ẹ́ náà yẹ Ghana fún rough ẹ̀mà Ghana fún wọ́n bú sùn dẹ́ yẹ pọ̀mọ́kyɛw nurses àwọn kọ training school no dà yẹ́wura John Ajekum Kufuor ó jẹ́ ní hɔ dẹ́ náà mọ̀ hàn allowances to support Ghana for ma. You were the mama. Obotum. Is there? No. You were the one that couldn't fall if you were no. Or the 12. It's the margin no. And now, MPP. Nana Kufuor. Also Ghana for that. Ghana for Mr. Moya Memoir. Oh yeah. Training allowance. I want to come more. Ghana hanging Alan. Moshana Mezapa. Na Ghana for ye Nana Kufuor mwa why na ngwa pepe na odi training allowances nyinala odi bai afa odi bai wie no wasa befa nurses a dem mara na NDC wo wa ba mu no ye bre John Mahama omo wo tena fie for so many years MPP ye ba yi ya fa nurses no wa adwuma mu teacher fo so asabe ka fra wa ko training school na teacher si wa wie no wote fie nyame na odom MPP wafo ho adwuma mu mabada sa me kenkan te kiro nyame no domala emma graduate awobo man mu graduate awobo man mu waso wonya adwuma nya ibinu wonya adwuma nya abai MPP watu mu afa aye opepi oha amo wafo ho adwuma mu ose mu de munya adwuma kakra ma obeya amonsa bako ho ano sabe ka fra na obi mfane se bako bi naze ana obi hahai masabe ankoshe no ho akonfo dami ni pe na ya fo ho adwuma mu maboso fa nyame na adom obi ane se kane kakrawa ona no wo kire de obi a onyim amambu yewe de Mahama aka cho ma ni na de oyo danfuru osi ni obeka bia no emfa me ho mi ti obi a ase mi bi yo danfuru ni obeka bia mi ti obi a enso ye bayi na na Kufuor no nyini mpanyifo wo tra ase ye hyehye pa wo de ma Ghana fo ye sere ho de se nyankopo ya dom na Kufuor do obatene goda Ghana fo mo ma mo ko school baba mo akọ SSM free me bada enye da na Ghana fo wewe ya nka nkyere ho eti NDC fo asema woka yewa anotejo cross na nye NDC fo mpanyifo wonyina na yeko programs a wose imom na Kufuor do wa ya ze papa osande watu abo Ghana fo mbade won ko school yeni anu a wo wa manane abochi na ade nyina no de bia no afutu a woka nyina de school di won fe nzagoro na wote ne aban papa nani nyina na fiwa na bada se na se wona huni police fa ya wo ho ka for our security enemy security mini NDC ni security aminti aban watu ma police fuka da mo fonso ma no soja fu am ho ka afi osi ye wo man yi mu yi sabe ka fa ye nyipa ye ba yare obi bepra obi me kwati team inti ambulance NDC fu water ambulance e ba sa pe se ba ka ya e ba sa bia wo osi wona wo se oye ayi mi jime se mi jede
sa we no se enye 3 crowd se no no crowd se mobile one na ka se enye 3
oh mami mi hu na make
ono ka ye eat
mami at least mi bi ho 3 NDC mi ni so da bi na 5 bi ho nti wo de come on 8
ba na ambulance
MPP ye boy ambulance 300 plus ye da cha mo man no ni nyina le fi wa hwa adesua for education hwe school adanya CCL JCC wo Ghana ha mama function they go to even ahoma so you go and see school awasi no okay almost JHS very beautiful fitting had the economy come
Mahama Nebi.
oh minia mama ebi so me party asem na make me party asem mama ma buy wa ye na make na me bo ho me bo ho dawu ebada hwa yenhia MPP yenhia na nakufo ado a anka onye kra ye ba so ye kade NDC fubi wo wa sisa o man ni sika so kwala ensamle kokoto yenyim na mu nyina mu dida se de sika na nipa ni bi asesa nyame na dom court we gya asem wo hu de dabi nipa bi wo de se be kafra wor fan sika na ibi nso ko fiade munia sisa sha akwanya ye no wasanteme ha mana mi fi fanse mi be me shoke akwanya ye no won fanse ndem fanse fu ye nyina ye se nana kufuado enne ko cha akwanya wa ye no won fanse munia onya sam kakaba nanna wala ifa asantime mu na fa bonwe the drainage on kodo ho then go to ajoso very beautiful eko ajoso krapa afema ba besi apromase afaf road afema na bopo damiabra abahoma so na saba besi akamen road perfect she ifa bantima and areas ni biake akwana okodo nti asema ye ka kire Ganafo na Ganafo wate hin ase na wo hu ye mabo nti mi wa hwehye mu de nunia se ye roba wo mi ale kade ye besan ye zinkunyim ne ya ye adwuma dan magana ne kwada
all right na na mesa ba ho mame nko Jake obobo ne ma so yo kan so mbe nyina na wo se o maye pa de se de so ni ho ana
se mame wase na minchia mo na ono production team Oma Jibre Omohwe ya nyumere na minchia titu minchia NDC for former president John Mahama menka se Nyankopon guso kasa ama no Nyankopon guso so hira no ntro na nkofo ni di 2016 omodi beje 2 minutes fili ni nsam no Nyankopon abie ama wiase nyine etenyam no wante bi asam na obisa meche mu nwi no ade papa za Mahama baya obeye ya odin 4 years no ni wia na ma sana ba MPP for no so niema o so mo aye
ono ne o mo aye na be ka mo
da be so no say isisi elections na aye for 2020 ye hwe adwuma nti me pese me kire adwuma kura so aye no nti me gidi se Ghana for nyina ni na akufo ado ne dota ba mi asenka ya ma o ma amba ama medi akonwa nanka wiya senka we NDC ni wonna ma nanka obi atwen kotukuru wo so nanka wakasa wo na wa ma wiya sa ye din because ensama na no mo kan ne hu pa ba omo ba ya no aya na toda na ma feel proud o wo mo sisi ahun kira ba ya na me feel proud say ambasa Nyankopon na nim onyam no ndadi ama nipa da sa di bi ehu ate se yare ba ya yehu asofofo bibira na omo hye nkwan bibire no yare we ba ya ma yahunu asofofo ni bi enti senka MPP amatina akonwa no so anka Nyankopon anim onyam nka en nadi ba se se daddy ama afenam first no na me gi Nyankopon dipa ba se se de amema hu se sa nyame no owo kwaya ofaso akasa kire nipa o kwaya ofaso ya na ade because se ne doba do Mahama se wode ni bleye ade pa na oye maye Ghana fo kasa ete se tamana Moses yi Israel fo ne firi nkoasumu no o so odo omu ko no omu kasa eduru baby no mu dinatam na Nyankopon se da bi ayese oma na nim onyam ni ndadi nti eno na na esi no yo Mahama sample obetina akonwa no so no ti dia do taba mi aka no ana yesi yenyina yedi so 2020 dia anya fe no baba be twa trosi dollar mechi dollar gina ho menye so so baka sa abim anya fe no baba baka cho si petro mechi so biem me bwa ontimi nka sa abim 2 ontimi baka se duty o teso obeti so biem ontimi maka sika ne wa Ghana ha ya abiem Ghana ya tiskawa ha onko bobusia sande mani nyina ontimi nka biem enumudwo bibrebi no wono awonim enti eya ni nguase ni atono eni nti na wo start ayeso anoni ya pe ye kura sa na ya pe because maka se manya vice president awasapa mimi Jake mebom ho mbodi ya che no wase akonwa no wagu akonwa no ni wase wase bibia nti anya sa vice president na otwa sa antro ne de aboa former president John Mahama baye obaye ye be free power ne ya bobosia 122 free Kwame Nkrumah penso abe pin president Kufuor abe pin Professor Mess ya hand over ma John Mahama no ana John Mahama ya hand over ma NPP no ne ya bobosia 122 aneme no kase omo ana omo si omo ye good managers omo nko bobosia no ane bosia ya dru by 220 something thousand Ghana to 20 something thousand Ghana cedi me count Ghana bosia nyina say do 200 and
billion
220
plus
20 plus
yes I'll check this
after the young share adwuma so waye free education now so the aba no ono ankasa budget a do call parliament o siska was spend wo mu no o calculate sa 3 years no o ma say be 200 ayi o ma say 2.5 million Ghana cedi nto o de kwotiti firim ne sa hweska ya gige o manim ne hwe adwuma wo de aye apart from free education adi o mu be so mu diska na aye no de aka nyina o mu de tu aka because ye nua no mu nyina no obi anya adwuma enti ye create adwuma ma o mu ne mu de o mani sika tua o mu ka do Mahama anya kurampo no o firi aban mu no wasi secondary schools 123 de na ye complete ananko nkwala ne yetimi bie ma nkwala ko tena mu no na ye 52 de na ye complete kura ya penti awia na ase nkwala ko tena mu na ye 52 ba na wa wie almost wa wie 133 pe MPP for ba so ye ya ba ye besi secondary school 350 ebe pe no munsi ba o munsi secondary school ba ko
o kan new one
bisi ta na se secondary school say ye si classroom say account den nka John Mahama den nka wo tin so anu wasole ende bibire o munsi ba ko John Mahama efiri akonwa no so no na Ghana ni abanya 2 universities abeka ko
then dey
the voter region bunafo o firi akonwa no so ne ya bia na nkwala guma na o mu ko school MPP ba first one 8 years once university of Mintimisi was secondary school of Winsibi ani ye bisa say skedi biribi na oji ye no e de na wode aye oso ma ye adwuma da bia o ka o so ma ye adwuma minu ya wo se ofiri mfante ne aba aye sam mfante 40 na o mu wura be hopa ukọ Kimkosa Town Rose John Mahama expert so onima because no onko nukurum ntabi afa na wakọ na okunu ne yenta ye ne se o mo ne ye menini ne tukuma se ha wonta onko nukurum enti so onima expert Town Rose expert ya aye John Mahama Kimkosa takrade bia enti so risk e ba John Mahama nsem the former president John Mahama nsem ne niema a wode aye no risk e ba ye nuanu mu nsem a che se ye nchedie ska ya che no mudi o ade abechi na ska we afa ha hwe flasta house ko ska o mudi akọ o mu chedi che se busumi ne beso ye mu hwe e no mo betwa ye ntro so ye sika sam ne de aye John Mahama o ko na oja ska na o twumi ensa pe Ghana ko ahonchire ma na o twumi ensa pe na o mudi o mama ye busumi miensa ne nyankopon se mama manim onyam asa anda edi na o man yare ne baaye be 3 weeks yasi jabi ji sia kwa bank ko bobosia skadi a president Mahama petu ho amuso odi skani nyina no a dumu so ba ya president Mahama ni nyansa mo wa nkofa se aska no wankofa se skamia me petu ho na dumu so ba ya no wa nkofa onima nkofa ba nam so odwini kwankan nti wo se da bi ma skani nda ho ma fight se ma so obudum so yare ba 3 weeks obi amuso mo abobra wokɔ bɔ busia afiri wɛba yare by ankyɛ yɛ sika da wakɔfa wode ne nam wokyekyɛkyekyɛ wɔsɛ me papa abɔ bra apɛ sika toɔ me sɛ me papa wammɔ ne ho badi wo a wobae wofa sika kɔdwo bɛgye 1 cedi kwame bɛgye 2 cedi afia bɛgye 1 cedi wɔse wo mmom abɔ ho badi nti yɛmmɔ yɛ nsamma wo ama mu a yɛwɔ mu nie because gye 3 weeks pɛ ɔyɛ sɔfa obi kɔ bisa kɔsa president Mahama yi ano da president ebu fa so nti deɛ ɛka ne sɛ president Mahama deɛ wayɛ lot wɔsi police for ɛmi sɛ wɔn ni Ghana ha tundra kaa yɛ fɛ ni tundra no ewiase nyinaa yɛ kaa yɛ papa tundra ka ho wɔn mu na ɛkra tundra maa police for wɔnim so wɔnim a maame nkae no yɛ na ɛkra kaa sɛ yɛ fɛ ni tundra kyɛ sɛ wotumi de wura baabi a speed ɛkɔ baabi yɛ kyɛ sɛ akorɔfoɔ mo baa yɛ kaa bɛn na mo kra yɛ saloon cars bi na mo de baa yɛ na police for no officers ni ti mu na mo de ɛkɔ fie banana saa saloon cars na ɛno bi na wɔsɛ mo akra cars ama police wɔte a wɔsɛ ambulance me sɛ MPP for no mo twa ntoro na afɛ de na ntoro na ankasa ɛda wa no ntoro ne pɛ baabi akɔtetɛ wɔsɛ ambulance afɛ ɔno asɛ ambulance na yɛ tre mobile ambulance no kura wɔsɛ yɛ tre ɔsɛ no kura no ɔsɛ yɛ tre wuti Ghana he na wuti asante region ambulance ɛyɛ mobile ambulance na yɛkra ba mobile ambulance yɛ krab ɛyɛ kuro nketenkete na hospitals ni hɔ no BBC na ɔde car na akɔsi hɔ 300 ɛkyɛn saa hospitals bebrebe a osi yɛ no si nye MPP paa na yɛ super incompetent bɔ na ma bɔ a wodi ambulance compare hospitals wuli yɛyɛ ni nguase ni sɛ
okay yɛn si fam
yɛyɛ ni nguase ni sɛ so hwɛ nneɛma na ɔmo di compare na difference wom do ma ma sika kakra da busia kakra na ɔbɔ yɛ no hwɛ hospitals a wasi hwɛ schools a wasi yɛ hwɛ nneɛma bebrebe a ɔyɛ ɛma wɔ man no ba mo ba yi si deɛ me di kan kai sisi ɔdɔta ba me wɔntimi medwa wɔ num biom sɛ ɛyi dollar mechi dollar sebi saa wɛ de no use yɛ no na me sɛ school yɛ kɔ na yɛ ana asɛm ayɛ nkɔ obi a wɔsua sika sɛm bɛka sɛ mechi dollar etum di kin ama GP me ti asɛm no sɛ papa yi o the vice president na aba fam okay enti sɛ saa sɛ no ntimi nka bie petrol 16 cedi nsɛm a wɔkaayɛ ɛna bɔ nti oyɛ wudi ni nti yɛ ɔmaama ana ɔba petrol bu ɔkɔ so ani taasa amudi ba ye kɛse bi bie yɛ hu kyerɛ yɛ wuti yɛ kasɛ
maame hɛ bɛsi kakra bana was it more but I ask yourself what have they done to deserve another 4 years 4 years of scandals Kelvin GVG deal Ameri deal bust contaminated fuel 400 Mason tricycles and what have you. Ghana is worse under this incompetent Akufo-Addo-led NPP government. Kwame Ababa, they Abba, I don't know. Well, we so as it is fact that the NDC performed more under health sector, education, and other sectors than that of the NPP. Sorry, and so the NPP must sit back. Okay, Frank Amwa. Okay, Frank de Abba, and so I don't know. Well, my main call was it Citizen Francis de Abba. I say a new voter register with improved security features is an enemy to the NDC because it hardly allows any room for manipulation and abuse. This is the main reason why the NDC is vehemently opposing to the compilation of a new voter register. I don't know. Dr. Baba Zamu, master planner, Kintampo, de Abba, or say the only thing that can prevent the EC from compiling a new voter register is registering the people of Ghana for the new voter register. I know the NDC guys will be confused. Tell them to also go and register. Okay. Nana Ya from Nkranza also writes, I agree with Jake. In fact, he has made my day. I like watching him on Kumeu TV. Tell the NPP to set aside. Nana Kwame Mensah Busu Shaka Afontotroso. Good evening, Sir Mike. What is the essence of using the old voter register? Okay. NDC agitation for the inclusion of the
of this card clearly shows they are non-serious. Right. Mami twa me hono asisi me ba ye be san to aso. Ye ba asisi ya.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sine papa be na upe biashe Amansane winnano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu TV.
Right, yensan emu akwaba emfamra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. I mean here Facebook man kakra mo aba na menyi bi emfemfiro. Kingsford Ade. Right. Good evening, Sir Mike. Asenso Boache rep has said it all. I think we are done with Asenso Boache and his team. Francis Ade. I say good evening, Sir Mike. I want to thank Kumawood TV for the good show on the network. Okay. Queen AJ says great show this evening. Maro Osei Ochem Abuaji is a failure to Bantima constituency. Mario say again, Asenso is bringing development and changing the face of Bantima politics. Okay, we say it is great to have Kumawood TV watching. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yamra, now take.
Yeah.
My membership we are saying free.
Matter.
What's more the electoral commission?
Okay.
Supreme Court to watch them.
Oh.
You free why? My request for. Manual isi the audit training ne workers are on by Juma dia manu and then most I said iPad meeting monko I said ye ntemasi kakra
ansa kwa na meka no ba kwa me se mi refi Joma ama de pa ba kwa wo say airport so Dubai airport no so BC da ni sika kakra bo sika kakra na oje no de yes anema no okay the see was other work cracha na say one time to kwaya na okay and no credit never and them case otu kwaya che meba nti me ngu ni ma se otu kwaya che because no aya kama kaka busian kaka na obo ye de odi ye de pa odi ye BC bi wo ba bi ada Africa kwa de number 1 me gidi say EC on maami no anansi isi maami je na maami je minti nase ba mi nim se why na adwin se opese obo MPP no na akofo ado no because o mama no contract enu nti na wayere no hoye because ade konti am say your contract na NDC aba mu 2021 ye beyi no oh me say be yi no nto de aduru ho a ntina me say your contract no nto na ni abre because onim say de oye no ya ba ye be yi no ntina wa yere ho o yere no ye o kan no ma ka che so o de no ho no ma akofa Joma ama voice bi so Joma ama ka say o de no ho isi fo de no ho a enka MPP fo na ra ko fa don ka o ba enka o me yi salot ba me salot so mo de o mo ntinko de o mpa bi o mo timi ye ba so o ba o mo say waye niam bi enye na omuma ne kwotena nche na omukofa bossman na waye Tescom ya fa ne say Tescom ayi ya kan say Petro ana omakofa jemensa no so ya ne me kan ne se ne yere ono so ya na kofa do yere me ka se ne yere a ya ne yere busu ani sa na mpese me kire ana wakofa no so aba ana omuba na omadi se ade se ompese omudi be wi abam ama Ghana ama Nana Akufo-Addo debia ya kase elections a process enye event ente se wotu ho ne nipa ne ye confuse a na wan kasa mo a wode ye bekwa kotu nsu no so wo de wo de hwe ma me ne baaye aba di ntro emetro mi ntro kwan we na mefa so wo de hwe wo no ankasa na no adane be 1000 o say so obetro di register ni nye anche bia na omude ko yi regency no no ababa kaso elections ni ya papa no ode akwa asamulumafo o elections ni ya papa bibia ya 100% wan kaso register ni nye o ye boss so register no go sunu emsu wo meti so o kasa na e die kura na government ye ku school ana ye sunu ni bi ya kasa de friend go sunu emsu register ya dramatic go sunu emsu ye eduma America kada bia one word register bia no wa go sunu mu ni ko e wo so ba won timi fa nkoto aba because fingerprint won timi fa obi dia fa nkoto ma obi so obi wu a won timi fa ne nswale nkoto aba anu nti na abrofo kura no anu na omo nyina de to anu so na ye register e kan kure wo se anu ni nye ye kwada kwaswale ya ye be tro Ghana card ye bisa ne se wo di Ghana card ne baba be register wo se da bi so oba kaya mo media for mo follow mo okọ parliament a okọ defend ne budget no o mo bisa wo se da bi o mo fra Ghana card ya fa ne sa professor no onu atifa wo so da bi ani ya so okay ni ya fi sen ka ya tro dini ya tro Ghana card ni wi nan ka bibia ya okay nan ka ya de anumum eto aba nka ya better ani aka asa no so da bi now de ya fa no nkoye ye gusu ka o se register no enye machines na sai ani ase da bi so se machine no ayi ya fa ni say data ni nya machine no utimi software utimi another software asese no egusu o se da bi no wadano no wasama ka chen so mayi kura machines ni kura ni tamu atom ani ya bisa se omu nkyere letter na omu trodu koma machines na omu ye machines no omu so omu aka ani ya ko ya kofo lu nkofo company no company ne ba ka chen se nsema omu ka nya ne kure ya challenge omu se omu fa letter na omu nu siense company na omu ye machine ka se machine nye adwuma biem company ni ndi ho biem no ebe pem na omu fa mleye mutuwa no omu asale ya ko meeting so omu ma wa agenda o adwuma o papa eyi maame wuri ono ene ne yedi ye adwuma no on ka agenda o se ye baba program o se mu ma ya topic se ya ba ya be discuss anam se mu pese obi ehu se de emu ye mu nim de emu ye no obi so de timaba ya ba ya no the topics na se metima aka ba obi a program na nya kama a che so onya professional isi mami oya no ba ka chen so enya mra park meeting nya mra ba mpanyimfo nyansa mo no afrejan town 1992 MPP for anko parliament no ana afrejan nyansa mo no mo create so ni satam na NDC na wo akonya so ba ye so there be MPP for na anko parliament nti ti ye adwin say ye involve wo mu wo awo lessons ni mu a abaha adwin ana ye ko create a park si de be ya si abase lessons no ye ka lessons one time MPP for babambi ana ye ka ya na ebua ye change ni mebibiri wonim se dramatic na ye de to abanna na ye nua no mo se eno ne yi wo mo ba wo mo se nyi wonim nipa o de kan so je se ye na na Akufo Addo office gabi gabu 20 register we ane eso je se anam si de bia ye boka ye register foforo ni nti ti se de be ya ebebo ye use dramatic obeka che NDC for no na o ka che afreja na afreja nse da bi ana oni NDC for no MPP for no NDC for ba kan nti ase ye adwuma se ampa ade a wo kan eye nyansa sam ti enya ne dramatic ti de ba no die obi antimi wiye because won setim so na kan obi awu won ntimi so ale metro aba mokoto ye eno no sa register de yi Jo Mahama ama Jo Mahama lusu eyi na Akufo Addo ama na Akufo Addo lusu register musumo biti a 1 million votes mu na musesa ne maye adwuma pa register na mu di biti a 1 million vote ro mu na musesa maye adwuma pa sinka shanka mu biti a 2 million vote e di enti na register no pese musesa no because yet say chairman sabu so ka say so mu change register we ya NDC ya ma ba mu ta
oso an kana sa man tena sa
ya ntena so wakane say wo betimi aka de wakane
nche mo chire mu no nche wo de ba ye ne say so ka say sisa register no a me say mu ye bibi wo register dada lu
enti me bi say ne say enti ye bibi wo register dada ye dan na Jo Mahama di wini less o du lusu ye dan Akufo Addo di wini less o du lusu ye aye dan na wo sufufuro na ye betro ne de ye tro de NDC for ye ntimi mba akonya no so bi enti sabi ye ntina ho ama sabi ye ntina ma sa de ni tu me de ma no si kurampo ye nguase a media for mun kan bi na mun so so sabi aye nguase a obi a hwe bia no wo sere ewie si nyina ne se voter ID card pre 1992 si e register for fra anoni ya do kwotro he me anoni ya do kwotro ano wo ka kira me se me koye me passport me di me website na koye information on website na dey fill me passport bibi ama me difference na wo me say me dey me say so ba wo say voter ID card ni nya papa yam fa ye use passport nipa wo mu be 2 million omo mu guta website na wo no di website ni koye voter ID ya fa ni say Ghana card no so no wo say anu no dey qualify ba Ghana card nti sabio nti Ghana yam panyimfo no mu dwini asabu dey wu
Rainbow. The good works of President Akufo-Addo and the NPP will determine a massive win in the December 7th elections. As for the NDC, they have always lost in court. So dragging the EC to court to prevent the voters register will be to no avail. Long live Ghana. Regards to Mr. William Frimpong Bonsu, aka Joe Willie of Asutufi North constituency. Teacher constitution, you are say right. So when are the NDC going to be serious in Ghana politics? Who is forcing them to run to the EC for their training manual? In fact, the NDC are incompetent even in opposition. Greetings to Honorable Dr. S.K. Nyama Kwadaso MP. Robbie Fashion, DHMSO also comes with this. The Electoral Commission should try their best and provide the political parties with the voters register so that they would all have a clear mind. Regards to Honorable Hilda Ado, incoming Member of Parliament for Kwadaso, and lawyer John Kuma of Ejoso. Baru Tema, COVID-19 pandemic and NDC party have both assumed notoriety, which needs total commitment from all Ghanaians fighting into extension. COVID-19 is staying with us for a while. Let's find genuine ways of living with it by abiding to all safety and health protocols. Kudos to government, our gallant media, and selfless frontline workers. My regards to Sami Awuku and Samuel Apia of Gesak. Yao Nkrumah from Sefi Anyaso. I like your show. I admire you so much. Please tell the NPP man what they claim to have been doing are few, comparing to them the promises they made when they were in opposition. Akufo-Addo said, we sit in money. The question is, where is the money now? I don't know. Right. I am now. Electoral Commission, NDC the court.
Oh, here the wasi bebre. Answer na boko Electoral Commission for manasa bonodo. Mamenye clarification bi kakra.
Ketwe.
Kutwe bi. Hwe Ghana fo mu nyina la mbezi dasede. Embra yen papa president, former president. Yewura Fifi Atamos. Embra not assassin. Asa samo metikali na mafa Ghana kwandra. Na me raho na ma hata menwa. Okay, the master nyina. Yewura John Mahama baye no. Ekwan na so waye ni nyina la. Ekwan ni nyina tutu, ekwan ni nyina nya papa. Magana fo ye de kem. Mende nyame na dom hwe. Both side a oye Ghana fo ye japade. Ghana ye both side. Oye ye japade. Yewura John Mahama tam both side ni na de mani nua. Otam mani nua.
Eso kabi.
Ebusuya, na ebusuya nchemfa. Mama nko Electoral Commission fu wona asebodo. Sisi ala na mabada rekade. There's so many people outside that Sabekafra. One are dream do. Us and hen yet he. No opportunity be niya. It's my brother Jake to say there. I Ghana for crowd money. I'm very sad. I'm very sad. That comment, I'm very very sad.
I think it's a regrettable.
It's a regrettable. Very Mama china mu sentra NDC for warrior rehearsals. Jawari nya rehearsals.
So what's what?
Oh yeah, one can say within their party. Warrior rehearsals within their party. It is once it was the electoral commission was a quarter. They are going to test the law. MPP fu ema Ghana fu ye ka kire won dey abatoa ye to 2016 no. Ye nte ye wanse ya fa court. Ye di court na Akufo Addo se o. Momo beka biala Ghana fu metem ho ase. So ankoye amamu mpa. Onya be ye nya maninka. Today also they are going to court to test the law of the land. Which is good. Mama min chechemu electoral commission say Ghana fu nyina bakaya na yo papa bi wo electoral commission a wo fe no Amadou Sule no ya NDC for one training director. It is alleged mpocho let me use that word.
Oh why
NDC for one training director. Enti Amadou Sule to be ko fa NDC for no to ho akose baby no wa come on training say you boto aba enna nyame nchaze electoral commission funala workers na bi wazi Mame Charlotte say wazi ne court anya people for near Mame Charlotte say yo workers nala enna wazi Mame Charlotte say wazi ne court in no di for poto na Mame Charlotte say only in samano anane samo trogu enka tazo odoko dan court page 18 paragraph 18 Mame Charlotte say catch the court there Ghana for you register nankasa onya papa because kia what the boy machines ni na those keys is with Amadou Sule. Let me
machines where
electoral commission young machines
okay you make your point and let me
make yes
if necessary.
Oh, that's right. Please you are not the one. It's electoral commission Mame Charlotte say na no me yet say there Amadou Sule to be a transfers meaning that otumura machines ni mu ye transfers masa yente Ghana ha enya man Charlotte say no okay osa Amadou Sule otumura machines ni mu ye transfers otumi sisao enyipa kogo ebia NDC strongholds enyemi na na metie ena make
I remember say Charlotte
yes
Amadou Sule 8 million transfer
very good
NDC strong
no me ya pepe ni me na me dey come because Amadou Sule on your transfer ma MPP stronghold that.
Okay. Joao Mame. MPP is doing nothing in Ghana. We will kick Nana out. JM Tuaso from Central Region. Udino Ebayanke Nibejipa. Right? I'm here on Mantum.
Mami Faisal.
0200 603 602 0200 603 602 which have been offer a TV into be lower the volume of your TV no what your phone yes I better nka very clear
that's right it's Mame Charlotte say na no be catch Ghana for there many anom me the paragraph 18 me statement I made that court no there ye wura Amadou Sule otum ye transfer ni ko baby a omo no Charlotte say amane na obi wo electoral commission on ankasa to be a transfer bi obia na omo electoral commission for na amane de osiden ye then Supreme Court se mo bekaya ye wura Falijan emra MPP ye za sam ne court no ye wura Falijan ye bi se na ose obi se the figure bi ose 270 hey
ono no kan
ye wura Falijan is asama manaka
no the electoral officer be and returning officer be
yes that's it it's me na keka ho nda ife bi ame wo
Mame say say
hello
good evening
hello
good evening afraid for Benin hello good evening you are very free
hello
abani yeti odi be free madika ka say wo free na kwama volume no TV na kofo no ati wo phone no we yes sir we boy pa na yetimi ate won kan yi sa na yere no to asoma me
that's right so you call Supreme Court no
okay yanko good evening
the bench sir
yanko good evening
hello
good evening hello good evening well minim continuously I catch them say wo free TV so a ma volume no enko form na tie ho wo phone no we put kura free dem wo ukasa bia no wasan yakọ we wa yesa obetie radio TV no a na wasan ya ye nte nka good evening
hello
good evening
hello
Hello, good evening. I think the technical team is on checking for Sabia.
Yes. It's the Supreme Court. What may I with all the pink sheets? Our binding now they know there is wrong with our register. Then MPP there's a lot of people I want to go. Please.
Okay. Hello. Good evening.
Oh, please.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Wow. What is happening?
Hello.
Wow.
Then there's a lot of people. The police are also register for Ghana.
Hello.
And we got a double registration.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, evening.
We need to be free.
But I'm free, Papa.
Right, here from Papa.
MPP, you know, my worry is, let's know we lose in tell you the day what my one down.
Okay. Hello. Okay. And I say, also with me, I've been mobile now, one lower with TV set on here.
So, at the Supreme Court, any young woman know there's a lot of forgery and Yama over your register. Yen Alasu, you will be, yet to be. And this is the Electoral Commission. I'm not speaking for the Electoral Commission, but I'm saying that Electoral Commission, no, they cannot use this particular register simply because there's a lot of work. It is only Masa, young constitution, and Ghana constitution.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
We need to be free NTO. I'm going to do a free NTO.
Hello.
We need to be free NTO. Right. Okay, NTO.
Never show the is there NDC MPP for no obi as obi again in which there for said the beer will be a winning. Now, you are my person or my SCS Ghana for your short memory. In the financial, for much will be the time to know most edges couple and confirm you be someone so much to Copotina. Enema Bibri in the short memory and he said the review into Omiansha and MPP for 4 years. Young found the twins in here. Bye.
Okay, yes, so yeah, that's it. Also, with me from 0200-603-602. By Shannon, say, bit me up a corner. I just say, one lower the volume of your TV. Now, what you ever phone.
I mean, minim se na na se ni wura fi ni ho dia Supreme Court an kan be bi da Supreme Court si dua omo na ese so omo kan onkwa kan Supreme Court an ka se register ni nya papa 2012 lessons musi mudi go for daughter ba me o se 10% o de aba.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Jectorson.
Also the 10% and I can 90%. Yeah, trying to be people know your vice president.
Free.
Now, Papa, and this MPP not in our room. But it will be sent them about to know what can watch the Milano, what can then, if you know, what do you need the power now?
Around the okay.
Oh. 2012 so o nim dia o ka nja 2012 ya Supreme Court can clear wan kan be bia se register nya papa ntini ya adi team bibia sa no court 2016 last year we win over 1 million vote 2 me ka se Ghana mpanyimfo nte ya na ya njura ya condition na me de kai because so obi guta voter ID card almost 90% we say me am fa no nkotwo din no mimi je ka me te na me maame this mimi de me passport akotura mi din na mimi de akwa di adanse ma me maame me maame o de me ba sa so woni mi de amani yes ne se
Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Oh, me maame na wono de me ba sa so no wo si mi fa mi voter ID card enko di adanse ma woni mi de amani kan sa samni tie ni ye nti obi pa ba pete ma fa ne tatam die ba ne ko na meka.
Hello, good evening. Hello.
Unim se atwere wodi a mimi twere mi di a nani ade card ne ma me a enche se aya papa o si gye so mu twerɛ di ni nyina wie ansa ne ya fidi ayi data no ama ayi dramatic no ansa ne ya san check ntina yi si for twerɛ di wie na o ma san check to obi o ma register mienu obi o ya challenge no nti yɛmfa ne se ma akɔtwerɛ na me di adanse ma o na akyire obi kɔ challenge me na se ya ba bɛhwɛ sɛ o jake kura saa na wɔnyɛ Ghana ni papa woni mi sɛ o nipa 10 na me di adanse ma o mu nyina no ase yɛ twa o mu di egu we na mi kasa nti yɛdwini ɛnyɛ sɛ obi ka sɛ mu tie ni yɛ contest yɛdwini because yɛdwini nkata de we nka yɛnyɛ 90% Ghana nyina 90% avota di ka ne nyina yɛ guta yisufo ni na yɛ mo am nkasa data mo nje enu endi obi akɔtwerɛ up to na Ghana card okwa bank kura omo accept because yenye hu ni say omo atwerɛ kura mpo obi yɛ Ghana ni obi yɛ 80 years obi wɔ 15 years enti nchaba yɛ kan enti so bas media fo man ka bi na mutitoɔ na MPP fo ya ne yɛ bisa o NDC fo adantina mo da muso mo mpene na ma bisa omo ne yɛ titoɔ bi bisia yɛ nia ne yɛ babrɛ enti yɛn kan hu sɛ adeɛ na MPP fo no yɛ no because say you minti ase
right
me da me ba me betima turo ni din ti dis be free akọ mi krom na me confirm me ma me na okotro me confirm me ma me kotro so na akire nko just anya me anya ba bi so
NDC for how onye den kopa de
na musu mu ha ono
yen Ghana constitution article 42 one na wode reader one na odo ye electoral commission one na odo ye abatu ho adwuma then you go to 45 and read they are the people are all the want to more compare register all the momano yet the adwuma na shawonsa oh please Mubia Yara John Mahama. Also, electoral commission for the no obi ha ho adwen ye gya mo onye ho adwuma.
Entimu ha o ma na so ma ha.
So, say Yara John Mahama say electoral commission mo bia ha ho adwen mo bia ntete ho. Mo bia nka se bia fa electoral commission ho. Ye gya mo onye ho adwuma. Da ma bele na nya Ghana ha na Yara John Mahama wo. Enne enya Ghana ha na Yara John Mahama owo. Da ma bele no ka da ma sam na nya Ghana ha na wo. Enne so nya Ghana na ha na wo. Sisi awusan bɛpɛ president edi nti mu nia asoma MPP yɛ kani na ne
wutu wo yɛ Ghana ni
za electoral commission bɛ kan bia no
wo yɛ Ghana ni
MPP yɛ bɛ di do
no
za electoral commission
no because
o ni o yɛ
no finish no
na mom ne nia mi so me kan sɛ yɛ bɛ srɛ obi bia sɛ na dawroma sɛ da electoral commission fo bɛ bia police stations na de ono se oye bema obeko police
onko tro ni ya hwe
emra wo man yimu
onko tro emra ni edi
emra e wo man
yimu wo ye ni nyamra
oye ni ba what ma say
enyamra
oye ni ba onra wo man yimu
enyamra
that is the reason why we have the law
enyamra ba say entra we
na yefa esi nana ajimai e chia pa 34 Cocoa Rehabilitation Farms we are double crew Cocoa Board ejuma na we e chia pa enu se CEO Cocoa Board na me ya next week oba district nti mukuso a we yen se atem nka pa no ko ejuma e wa double crew in Western North region mon ko so na me ejuma e si aha Kumawo TV on Sinupi ele nyanre etumi esinipi Jake Azantilo NDC Ashanti Regional Communication Team member oba okedika say I say about registration there easy be amiahwe sanso na nana agree ishen and so Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NPP I say we bema e drew her go to the police station and cause confusion go zembra e Ghana then nana so as say oba Kobe Frank engineer camera na chi etwa edema production manager Otri Nozo the producer Bernard executive producer Sam Dakus and so Mano Loretta and Augustina and so MC Omoboy eba jumede no etimi eba so kama me fa say that fama DJ Lofty and afi so no Queen AJ onyina no eboy the executive director for the show and so Sam Dakus Samuel Kwabna Mimi din Eddie Michael Nana Adwa from Mr. Mike Nyame ya domo asene so say anopa bia no 7 to 9 am the PT show no Eddie map na enumere 4:30 to 6:30 live on your TV we Sinupi Asia Nyame ya domo china Nyame nka
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahwe amansane